Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm out here tonight to hopefully catch a bass with something in this box. This is from Craig Norris, otherwise known as Lard Almighty. Let's see what he sent, see if I can catch a fish. Alright, let's see what we have in here. I see a letter, so I'm going for that first. Enclosed are a few of my favorite baits for you to use. Hopefully they will serve you as well as they have served me. Keep it realistic, and I will see you on the next adventure. Sincerely, Craig, aka Fishing with Lard Almighty. Alright, thanks for sending the box, Craig. Let's see what's inside. First off, we have a shad wrap in a bass pattern. There we go. It is kind of glued shut. Swimming depth 8 to 15 feet. Well, I don't think I'll be using this today. It sure is a nice looking bait. Let's see what else we have. Berkley fire stick. Suspending. It just says suspending. Looks like a little jerkbait of some kind. Now I got people coming over here by me, so anyway, let's get back to it. So we have a Berkley fire stick here. This says suspending, diving depth 5 to 7 feet. It's like a little shad kind of looking, shiner looking jerkbait. That's pretty cool. 5 to 7 feet is a little deep for me fishing from the bank, so let's see what else we got. We've got a package of Yum Dingers in watermelon seed. These are 4-inch Yum Dingers. This might work and I might be able to wacky rig this, but let's see what else is in here. Rebel Pop R. Alright, I've got a few comments about this recently. Feels pretty light. Does it have the weight on it? This is definitely a strong candidate. I don't know if I'd be able to cast this on a bait caster or not. Alright, here we have a Mepps inline spinner, the original French spinner. All I have is a bait caster today, so this probably won't happen. We have another Rebel bait, a Rebel crankbait of some kind. It's in a nice silver and black pattern. It's got a really small lip. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what this one is. Rebel humpback in silver. That might be a good one to use. Uh-oh, Chatterbait. My nemesis. I have never caught a bass on a Chatterbait. People always hooting and hollering about how good it is, especially in the evening. And this has the right colors, blue and black. This is definitely a possibility. We also have Strike King spinnerbait with copper willow leaf blades. So this is a premium plus Strike King bait. It's got a shad pattern on the main body there. I don't get too many spinnerbait bites, but this is also a possibility. And finally, Kitech Swing Impact Fat. So we got 3.8 inch smallmouth magic Kitech swim baits. Might be able to get a bite on this if I swim it through the weeds. I have a choice to make. There are definitely some good lures in here. It comes down to the Chatterbait or the Pop R. We're going Pop R. Are you docking or fishing? Only the best boat fishermen fish the bank at the public park. 20,000 acres. That, we want this 400 feet. So they basically cornered me right here.
You want an arm red?
Nope. These guys. Yeah, so basically I started fishing right here, right? And I started going that way. And they came in along the bank right here and cornered me right there. Now they're just fishing my spot, because that's what boaters do. Well, that's it for tonight. I was doing all right, and then those jackasses in that boat fished right over the top of me, forced me out of that corner over there. Got me a little frustrated, so I'm quitting. F it. All right, I'm out here the next morning. Now I'm switching it up to the Yum Dinger watermelon seed. There we go. Let's see if I can get one on this. I'm gonna be fishing it on this weedless finesse hook. Just like that. Let's see if I can get one. Fishing that on, what is a 6-pound test. Got to make sure that drag is loose so I don't snap the line right away. It's a little hard to see this line, it's so thin. Second cast, I'm going to work it a little faster since I've already casted it over there once. This is just to double check. In the summer, they can be really hard to find. Tough morning so far, nothing on the dinger. Summer fishing. Yay. Oh, is that a bite? Let's get it back down there, keep working it. Might have been my first bite. Might have been a bluegill or a green sunfish or something grabbing just the tail. The line started going. I set the hook, nothing there. Got him. Nice. There it is. Got this nice little largemouth on that Yum Dinger sent into the show by Craig, fishing with Lard Almighty. Not very big, but I sure am glad to get one. Fishing's been tough. Let's get another last look at him before I let him go. Sweet. I needed that. Right down there, Yum Dinger. Let's get this straightened out. Bent up my wire here just a little. We're gonna see if I can get that adjusted. There we go. Still got my bait. Pretty cool. All right, let's go to the lucky, unlucky spot. You know what I'm going for, that log in the water. Nothing here, unbelievable. So far, unlucky. Damn it, I wasn't even filming. That's the second time. I'm all distracted and shit, but I did get one here on the Yum Dinger. Looks like he's hooked down in the mouth. Luckily, I got my pliers. Let's see if I can figure this out. There we go. I see it. Nice. Second bass, getting a little bigger. Yum dinger right here. Can't believe I didn't have the camera on. I'm totally slacking, but I got him right down here. I'm glad I got a second one though. Yum dinger bass right here for Lard Almighty. Craig over there, thanks again for sending me the lures. Let's let it go. Damn it. That's the second time in a few weeks I caught one while the camera wasn't on. Totally my fault. Catching the fish is slightly more important than making the video, but you know, I want to be rolling at all times. Should have had more coffee this morning. Did I just hear a splash? Fish. Nice. Bass number 3 on a yum dinger. Right up the front of the snout. Wow, that's hooked in there good. There we go. Sweet. Third bass on the yum dinger. 3/4 pound on a good day. I just saw something else right there. I'm gonna cast over here again. Nice. So there's my third bass today on the yum dinger. Just a bunch of little guys so far. Well, that second one was pretty good. It was over a pound. But this one's pretty small. Let's let it go. Cha-ching! Oh man, look at my dilemma here. My dinger is on the other side of the hook. That means the weed guard has to pass through the dinger. Ta-da! Still in one piece. These things are pretty tough. I caught 3 bass so far. Let's check the line. It's got some fraying down here on the bottom. We're gonna retie. Look at that wad of line right there. I'm not even gonna cast till I pull that in, because with my luck, I'll catch it. So, why would you do this? Holy shit, look at this. Look at this. This is like 80 to 100 pound test. I am not bullshitting you. I don't even want to know what's on the other end of this. A worm. You could fish for a shark with this f***ing line. It's snagged. I'm gonna walk down here. Gonna get as much of the line as I can. You know, when you fish with line this heavy and you get snagged, you have no choice but to leave it in the water, because you cannot pull and snap 100-pound test. Now I gotta go throw this fucking thing away. Oh my god. I never thought I'd see line this heavy. I mean, look at that. These trash cans are tipped over. Let's see if I can do something about this. This act of goodwill was brought to you by Realistic Fishing. A few at the boat launch here, and then I'm out. Fish. Another bass. Another small one. Fourth bass of the day. Another little guy. Somewhere between a ½ pound and a 3/4 of a pound. Got him on that wacky rig Senko. Pretty small today. Let's let him go. So I'd like to thank Craig over at Fishing with Lard Almighty for sending lures into the show. I didn't get any on the popper, but I did get a bunch on the Yum Dinger. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.